Hey guys, welcome to Tenorshare. Thinking about trying out iPadOS 26 beta on your iPad? With Apple's latest updates, fresh out of WWDC 2025, there's a lot to be excited about, like the sleek new glass-style interface and some seriously cool features. If you're ready to get your hands on the beta, this video will walk you through exactly how to download and install iPadOS 26 beta on your iPad step by step. But before you jump in, there are a few important things you'll want to take care of to make sure the update goes smoothly. Let's get started. First things first, make sure iPadOS 26 is compatible with your iPad. Here's a list of supported models. If your iPad's not on the list, unfortunately, it won't be able to run the new update. Now let's go over the 4 key steps to prepare your device before updating so everything goes smoothly. Step 1. Back up your iPad. Use iTunes or Finder to create a full backup of your iPad. This way, if anything goes wrong during the update, your data is safe. Just connect your iPad to your computer. Click the device icon in iTunes or Finder and select Backup now. Step 2. Check your battery and storage. Make sure your iPad is charged to at least 50% so it doesn't shut down mid-update. Then go to iPad storage in Settings and check how much space you've got. You'll need at least 16 GB of free space for the update to install properly. Not enough space could cause the update to fail. Step 3. Use a strong Wi-Fi connection. To get the best download speed, keep your iPad close to your router. If you have both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, pick the 5 GHz one. It's faster and more stable, especially for large downloads like this. Step 4. Get access to the beta update. If you've already installed a previous iPadOS beta, you can skip this step. Otherwise, open Safari and go to developer.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and agree to the developer agreement. That's it. Your iPad is now eligible for the iPadOS 26 beta. Now, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. You'll see a Beta Updates option. Tap it and choose iPadOS 26 Developer Beta. Go back to Software Update and you'll see the iPadOS 26 beta available to download. When you're ready, tap Download and Install to get started. If you run into issues updating directly on your iPad, don't worry, just use a computer. Tenorshare ReiBoot now fully supports iPadOS 26. Just connect your iPad, select iOS Upgrade/Downgrade, then choose Upgrade to iPadOS 26. Click Download iPadOS 26 Beta, and then Start Upgrade. Your device will reboot and begin updating. This usually takes around 10 minutes. Once it restarts, you'll see the update confirmation screen. Complete the setup, and you're good to go. Since iPadOS 26 is not very stable at the moment, you may get stuck in the setup process. To fix it, press Volume Up, then Volume Down, then hold the power button. Wait for the screen to go black, then let go when you see the Apple logo. After that, you can swipe up to unlock your iPad and finish the setup. And that's it. You've successfully updated to iPadOS 26. Remember to back up your device and follow all the steps in this video to avoid any data loss. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.